Lessons and values of the bloodless EDSA People Power Revolution were tackled in a Salubungan workshop in Manila today. Students, many of whom were born after EDSA, were among the workshop participants. Jervis Manahan with this report.
For most of us, the word EDSA connotes monstrous traffic. But putting this aside, EDSA has also been a silent witness to one of the most momentous parts of our history, the EDSA People Power Revolution. This ended years of dictatorship and restored our democracy. But aside from history books, is EDSA Revolution still relevant in today's youth? EDSA People Power Commission did a Salubungan workshop in Manila, where the memories of EDSA Revolution was relived. Most of the attendees were students. A lot of them weren't even born yet during the revolution. Historians who were present during the Bloodless Revolution shared their experiences and insight.
It did not take just 4 days. EDSA was not just 4 days. EDSA was the culmination of about 2.5 years of struggle, which began with the Aquino assassination. It doesn't mean there was no struggle before that. There were. But the people who took the lead were activists, and because Marcos clamped down on them, the military, they had to resort to armed struggle.
So I believe in our youth, and I believe that they mean well, that they can do good things if they put their hearts into it and if they work together.
The Salubungan workshop aims to equip the youth with organizational development skills based on the values of the people power. 8 groups participated in the event. The commission says that this is an effective way in passing on the lessons of EDSA to the younger generation.
Yung ultimate goal namin is to parang harness the spirit of people power in every province. So we have organizations in Nueva Vizcaya, we have in Bicol, we have in Masbate. When we train them about the values of people power, what we want is that for these organizations really to espouse people power, not just through words, but by the very deeds that they're doing.
February next year, the nation will commemorate the 30th anniversary of EDSA Revolution, but the preparations are already underway as early as now.
Yung pinaka-theme namin ay yung pagbabagong pinaglaban niyo, itutuloy ko. Ibig sabihin, ang target po namin dito, millennials. Ang target namin dito, yung kabataan na kailangan na nilang akuin yung hamon na ipinamana sa kanila ng EDSA.
The Commission hopes that the lessons of EDSA will not be forgotten because the future of our country will always depend on our nation's past. For the People's Television, this is Jervis Manahan reporting.